Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Era Deni Kurniawan with student ID 41822010147. Majoring in information system. This video create for Tibuan EFC. I want to talking about computer and active and passive voice. Okay. First is talking about computer. Definition of computer operating system. The operating system is software that is found in the first layer and is in the computer's memory when it is turned on. Meanwhile, there are still other software that will function and run after the operating system is running. Computer operating system function. If you still want to be clear about the computer operating system, you can find out based on its function, types, and examples of the operating system itself. In fact, you can also find out the work system and applications that are also on the computer completely, where the function of the operating system are managing resource, preparing software program, perform process management, performing data management, performing translation, and organizing instruction delivery. And types of operating system that are often used. Not only its function, you also need to know the types and kinds of operating system. As an example of an operating system, there are several types of operating system. Namely, the first is Microsoft Windows. One of the most known operating system is Microsoft Windows, which is a type of operating system that began operating since the 1986. From the first time until now, there have been many versions of Windows that have operated, and the latest and newly released is Windows 10 in 2015. This type of operating system is the most recognized and makes the most famous of popular operating system in the world. And the second is Linux. Linux OS is a type of operating system that is free and open source, distributed under the GNU General Public of License. This allows users to download, install, and modify the operating system source code for free. Linux OS consists of the Linux kernel developed by Linus Torvalds and various software developed by the open source community. As a free and open source operating system, as Linux OS has become popular among computer users who have an interest in technology and want to understand more about how an operating system works. Additionally, Linux OS is also used by many companies and organizations worldwide due to its ability to be modified and customized to meet their needs. And the last, macOS. Macintosh operating system, or better known as Mac OS, is a GUI graphical user interface operating system used to operate Macintosh computer. This operating system is the first GUI OS developed and marketed by Apple Inc. Just like any other type of operating system, macOS function for booting, process and memory management, device control, interface design, and so on. However, compared to its competitor, the macOS operating system is superior in terms of graphical interface and security. In addition, there are many advantages and features that macOS offers. One of them is compatibility, where is the operating system can be installed on smartphone or other device according to the applicable specification and condition. And I want to talk about active and passive voice. The first is present continuous tense. This formula for pass this for passive voice. First, active voice. The IT staff are currently troubleshooting the server issue, and the passive is the server issue is currently being troubleshooted by the IT staff. And the second is present perfect tense. This formula same for the passive voice. Active, the IT department has developed a new app for internal use. Passive voice, a new app for internal use has been developed by the IT department. And past perfect tense, same this formula for passive voice. The active is by the time arrived, the IT team had already solved the issue. Passive, by the time arrived, the issue had already been solved by the IT team. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.